everyone, my name is Merdelin Rodriguez. I am your Mrs. Pennsauken America, and I will be competing for the title of Mrs. New Jersey America on June 14th. I'm here at Dent Blanche Dental, and this is my first time coming in, and I love the experience. Everyone has been very kind, and when I got my dental cleaning, they numbed my gums, so that felt amazing. I didn't feel anything, that's why I felt amazing. And when I saw Dr. Sad, she noticed that I needed a filling. She was like, we could do it today, so I didn't have to come back. I do recommend Dent Blanche Dental. Make sure you come and join the dental team here. They're amazing. She did an amazing work. She already did a filling for me right away. I needed a filling, and she was like, we could do it today. So that was amazing. I didn't have to come back for that. And I invite you to come over and see her. She's also opening up a new office, so we're very excited for her. And come here.